Ayan. Hapunan. Kain. Mhm. Crispy French fries. Ito. May araw pa. Maliwanag pa. Ganyang weather dito sa Amerika. Matagal magagabi. Pabilis umaraw. So, mas mahaba ang araw sa kaysa sa gabi. Kahit ganito lang yung yung burger tsaka french fries, nakakabusog din. You done?
Yeah.
Did you finish your food?
Huh?
Did you finish your food?
I got a couple fries.
Very good.
Yes, Mom.
Don't. So you missed. And then you clean up your mess.
Why not?
Very good. Oh. Good job. Thank you. Sabi ko linis niya yung kalat niya. Para igalaw-galaw ang katawan. Sige na lang pongko. Good job.
I did manage to get by for a few years before I met you.
You have a 100% score today. I mean tonight. You cook your dinner. You clean your mess. Oh, you rewash also. Very good. I can do that. I can do that. Don't mind him.
Okay.
I'm just kidding, you know. You're being serious.
I'm trying to be helpful.
Look like you are strong right now.
Nope.
Why no?
My back hurts.
It's not like. Kasi nga maghapon lang siya nakaupo. No TV. Pagising.
Hamburger cooked okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
The meat is cooked good.
Okay, no cake.
Thank you. It's good. Perfect. Ayoko kasi yung yung karne niya na mamula-mula. Yan ang gusto nila dito. Mga karne nila pagluto. May pula pa, may mga kunting dugo, ganyan. Ako ayoko. Luod, bas Bisaya, luod. Gusto ko yung lutong-luto na. Mga tayong, mga laking buhay sa probinsya. Gusto natin yung lutong-luto na karne. Tapos gusto pa natin yung hiwalay na yung halos magkahiwalay na yung buto sa laman. Yan ang pinakagusto natin. Sila naman, pulang-pula pa. May konting dugo-dugo. Lalo na pag steak. Ako ayoko ng ganun. Na pag hamburger, katulad nito, gusto nila mamula-mula. Half cook. No half cook. Basta mapula-pula pa ang laman. Ang ano. Ako gusto ko lutong-luto. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Try ko dito mag-upload palagi sa YouTube. God bless you everyone. Bye.